Yo, 𝐻𝐞𝐫𝐤𝐝 over here, and this right here is Mercedes-Benz CLS350. This car is a perfect combination of class, luxury and style. Fully serviced at Cycle and Carriage, and the condition is so immaculate you could mistake it for a brand new car. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this beauty. This car is absolutely fantastic. One of my favorite cars from Mercedes-Benz. It is luxurious, it is super sleek looking, and it's quite fast with 300 plus horsepower. Also, this unit comes with very nice 20-inch sport rims with upgraded big brake kit by AMG in front and behind as well. Just look at the side profile of this car. Absolutely stunning. Behind we have quad exhaust and a very beautiful carbon fiber boot lip. Now let's check out the boot space. Of course, fully electric tailgate. The boot space is massive. You can put a lot of luggage inside if you need to travel. Let's close this. This car is packed with features. Comes with soft closing on all 4 doors. Also comes with coupe-like frameless windows. Very beautiful. Interior is luxurious. Beige color. Just look at the condition of the leather. Absolutely fantastic. Of course, rear passenger aircon, needless to say. And now let's go in. Alright, we're inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Absolutely stunning interior, super luxurious. I mean, look at this 3-spoke leather steering wheel, multifunctional with pedal shifters, massive AMG speedometer cluster, fully digital, massive infotainment screen, ambient light throughout the vehicle and even behind, as you can see, and of course you can change color. Very beautiful, non-laminated matte wood finish. So nice, so luxurious, and of course a clock. I always like this in cars. Of course, both sides are fully electric with memory for seats. We have Burmester sound system, and these seats, unlike S-Class, they are much sportier. Look at this, they are so bolstered and they'll hold you very nicely when you take corners at obviously legal speeds. And of course, we have sunroof that can be open, can be closed. Very beautiful, and my favorite thing of all, place to keep your sunglasses. Alright guys, just have another look. This thing is truly a work of art. Alright, on COE, this guy still got 3 years and 11 months left. Plenty of time for you to enjoy. In terms of depreciation, 28,000 plus, one of the lowest in the market. Considering condition of this car, this is definitely the best unit you could get for CLS. This car, in terms of class, is very similar to Mercedes-Benz S-Class. However, it's so much slicker looking and so much sportier, as well as faster at 300 plus horsepower. What can I say? This car is such a dream. And if you want this dream to be yours, you all know what to do. Call me and I'll give you a good deal.